Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we are going to repair this Galaxy S23 Ultra with a broken display, and let's get right into it. So right now we can see that the display is cracked, and this being a Galaxy S23 Ultra is quite a big screen and it's not showing us anything at all. The display is really battered, not showing us anything. So we're going to remove this SIM card tray and the S Pen. I missed the S Pen. And remove the back cover, and let's proceed with the replacement of the broken display. So the way we do it is we start at the back, we slice through the adhesive, and it looks like this has been opened before. It's quite easy to remove the adhesive, but we are still taking a bit of caution to not break the back cover. This is made up of glass, and we'll spray some more alcohol to soften the adhesive so we can finally let this back cover free. That's the internal components. We are going to unscrew some screws and remove the screws for the main board. There's a lot of screws on the main board, but with the Galaxy S23 Ultra, this is the same. I believe they are the same sizes. It's quite easy to track them down. There's a lot of them. They are the same sizes. Remove the connectors from the daughter board at the bottom. So these are the squiggly flex cables, the black ones, you can see there. Squiggly cables reduce noise in the signal. Also going to remove that one. And we can now detach the front camera and some miscellaneous parts. The main board is easily removable. We're also gonna detach the battery, and the battery has been detached before. You can see that the adhesive at the back of it is not really putting up any resistance. We are gonna remove the cover for the replacement display. This is a replacement display, so everything that we have removed from the old one will just be transplanted to this brand new housing and display. So everything will look nice and clean, brand new, and you can still remove the broken display itself and add additional steps in the process, but we are going to take the more reliable and easier route here. Because we have suppliers of quality displays for the S23 Ultra, and we are going to give the best for our customers. You can see there, they just fit in. Nothing to worry about. We're also gonna reattach the battery. The adhesive on this one is not tight, it's quite loose. We are gonna address that, but we are still going to reuse it and reinstall the battery, attach it to the main board, and it's just gonna be the reverse of the process. So this is going to be our last upload for 2024. It has been a great year fixing smartphones and uploading videos for you guys. Thank you for the 11,000 subscribers that we see in the comments daily, who is always supporting the channel, and hopefully we can release new videos of new smartphones in the future, and hopefully 2025 will be a better year for technology in general, right to repair, of course, innovation on hardware for smartphones, and hopefully it will be better overall. No pandemics or whatever. And just like this Galaxy S23 Ultra, the future is quite optimistic for all of us, hopefully. And this is looking good. Look at that. It looks brand new and it's not showing us any issues. And we have a free cover for the display. This is not tempered glass, this is just plastic, but it's good enough to deter scratches and hopefully prevent the display from disintegrating into small pieces if the customer drops this. Hopefully not. Hopefully this S23 Ultra will live on for at least 2 years before needing another service. You can use tempered glass on this one because of the sloping edge. That's gonna be an issue for tempered glass. David has done a great job. He's the Samsung Galaxy expert. Thank you, David, for your service and the past year. 2024 has been very productive and hopefully you will live longer and healthier to serve more customers who is in need of a new display for their broken smartphone displays. There you go, guys. It's just gonna be a matter of covering this up. We are reinstalling the back cover for this S23 Ultra and we're covering this up, do our final testing and move on to our next repair for the day. This is our own liquid adhesive, so it will not be factory waterproof, but it will be enough to hold on to the back cover into the new housing. And that's it. Looking great. And once again, thank you for a wonderful year. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and sharing. And we wish you all a happy new year. Thanks for joining, guys. Take care. Be healthy, be safe. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.